Let's see how to check Instagram watch history. You just need to open your Instagram and you come down here to your profile and the three dots on the top right. And from here, you're gonna see your activity. If you don't see this one, you just need to update your Instagram. But in this case, I see it, so I just tap on it. And then all the way down, you're gonna see here the watch history. Tap on it, and you're gonna see all the videos that you watched before on your Instagram. Super simple. If you don't see this watch history here, you need to update your Instagram. So you just need to come back here to your app store and look for Instagram. So when I come here to search, I just come and enter here Instagram. And from here, I'm gonna see the option to update. You see that I have an update available, even though I have my Instagram showing the activity already, right? But you can just update yours here as well. So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can watch the history on your Instagram. Subscribe, and I see you in the next one.